Welcome to Abhivyakti channel. This time Murthy's Creation has come up with project of puppets. The stage is set for Yuddhakanda from Ramayana. And you can see the Ravana, Kumbhakarna, Rama, Lakshmana and Anjaneya all set for the great battle of Ramayana. Ramayana took place in Treta Yuga. And Ravana, the king of Lanka, fell in love with the beauty of Sita, the wife of Rama, and abducted her and kept her as a prisoner in Ashokavana in Lanka. He also expressed to marry Sita. The battle of Ramayana took place to save Sita from Ravana. Rama, along with his brother Lakshmana and Anjaneya along, and also the troop of Vanaras and the leader of Vanaras, Sugriva. These people helped Rama to save Sita from the clutches of Ravana. And here comes Shurpanaki, sister of Ravana. Shurpanaki is also a demon who fell in love with Lakshmana by seeing him. And you know what did Lakshmana do to her? He cut her nose. And she ran to her brother Ravana crying with her bleeding nose. And she comes to Ravana and tells him that how beautiful is Sita, the wife of Rama, and she says that Ravana should marry her. And that's how Ravana abducts Sita, and which leads to the fight between Rama and Ravana. Ravana, who is famous for his 10 heads, was the son of sage Vishrava and demon Kaikasi. She is also called as Kaikeshi. Ravana was a great devotee of Shiva. He was a symbol of evil. He was also famous for being a great scholar. He had learnt all the 6 Shastras, 4 Vedas, and was a famous demon king. Kumbhakarna, the younger brother of Ravana, was very gigantic in nature, and he was also famous for his great appetite and his sleep. He used to sleep 6 months throughout, and he used to wake up at the end of 6 months. Kumbhakarna also played an important role in the Yuddhakanda of Ramayana. Here comes our hero of Ramayana, Rama, Sri Rama. His full name is Sri Ramachandra. He is also called Dasharathi because his father was Dasharatha. and mother Kausalya. Rama is said to be the seventh incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Rama's weapon is bow and arrow, symbolizing Rama was ready for destroying evil anytime. Lakshmana, the half-brother of Rama, is said to be the incarnation of Adishesha, the snake on which Vishnu sleeps. Lakshmana is the son of Dasharatha and Sumitra. Apart from Lakshmana as the sibling, Rama has three more siblings: Shatrughna, Bharata and Shanta. Anjaneya, who is also called as Hanuman, is an important character in Ramayana. He is the Vanara companion of Rama, meaning a monkey companion. He is the monkey god who is also said to be a Chiranjeevi, meaning immortal. Anjaneya is the son of Vayu god, meaning the wind god. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.